Why did Samir Raina delete his show off the internet? After a controversial remark by Ranveer Alabadia on his show India's Got Latent, multiple FIRs were filed against both of them. Samir's response? He deleted every single episode of the show from YouTube. A drastic move, but was it a smart one? Does deleting content actually help, or is it just damage control? Let's break it down. At first glance, erasing an entire show from the internet might seem like a panic mode, but legally, it's a calculated step. Here's why. 1. It makes the case harder to prove. For a case under India's obscenity laws to hold up in court, prosecutors need solid evidence. They need to prove that the content was obscene, offensive, or had the potential to corrupt public morals. But now, the full episodes are gone. That means law enforcement has to rely on screenshots, short clips, or people's testimonies. And those don't carry the same weight as unedited footage. Of course, deleting the show doesn't mean the case disappears. If the police already have copies or if the content was downloaded before deletion, it can still be used as evidence. 2. It prevents new FIRs. As long as the show was online, anyone could have watched it and filed a fresh complaint. That means one episode, one joke could trigger multiple legal cases in different states. By wiping the show off the internet, Samir stops the cycle. He can't erase what's already happened, but he can make sure no new cases come up because of old content. 3. It limits social media backlash. Today, legal battles aren't just fought in courtrooms, they are fought on social media. A show like India's Got Latent is unscripted, unfiltered, and packed with edgy jokes. And in today's world, context gets lost fast. A clip might seem offensive when taken out of context. By deleting everything, Samir makes sure people aren't digging up old moments and adding fuel to the fire. 4. It protects his YouTube channel. YouTube has strict rules about content. If enough people report a video, it can get flagged, demonetized, or even removed. And if a creator gets too many strikes, they can lose their entire channel. By deleting the show himself, Samir stays ahead of the problem. He avoids direct action from YouTube and keeps control of his platform. 5. It shields other guests from trouble. The show featured some big names: comedians, influencers, people with their own audiences. If the show stayed online, these guests could also get dragged into the controversy. By removing everything, Samir makes sure no one else faces the fallout from something they said in a past episode. 6th, it sends a message. People watch more than just the case. They watch how you react. Some will see this move as accountability, a way of saying, I don't want this to go further. Others might say, if he did nothing wrong, why delete it? The lawyers could even argue that removing the content suggests guilt. So, while deleting the show may help in public perception, it's not a free pass. But does this mean that he's safe? No. Deleting content does not erase history. If an FIR has been filed, the case will move forward. Law enforcement can still access deleted files. Digital forensic teams can retrieve evidence. And if the police or private users save the videos, they can still be used against him. Comedians push boundaries. That's their job. But in today's world, where cancel culture meets courtroom battles, knowing when to hit delete might just be as important as knowing what to say. I'll leave you with that thought. This is Leena Lal signing off. Keep watching Famous TV for more such content.